In the beginning there was nothing, and then there was the Drip Master.
The drip has such a beautiful essence coming from it. I must share this with another. I must share it with my apprentice, Katana.
The Drip Master had a goblin for an apprentice.
He speaks in grunts.
Master, I found Katana.
The poor boy wasn't very bright, as one could tell. However, with help from his master, the Drip Master, the boy would be the most powerful being in the world.
What do you mean you found a katana?
I found Katana.
Where did you find that from? That's just a stick.
Sure, the Katana is sharp.
I think that's a stick.
It's sharp.
Are you a thief?
It's sharp.
All my apprentices go the way of the idiot.
You touch the stick.
Put the stick down.
Touch the
It's
katana.
not a katana.
It's katana. It's sharp. I sharpen with knife.
You know what? Here, take this. Take this. Put this on.
Casey!
It's good.
Master! Master!
Do not touch me, child.
Katana.
Let's go.
Master!
Many years ago, the Drip Master had abandoned him. Now the Drip Master searches in the woods for others to share his powers with and to warn the rest of evils in the woods.
The algae gives off such a drip signal. I can almost feel it. With everything I feel from this lake, all the energy spewing from it, I could bring back millions from the dead. What a beautiful thought. I'm gonna need a lot of drip algae in order to find the one that I'm looking for. The man that the first person I ever revived told me about. A man who has fought greater evils than I could even imagine. He has fought against the one known as the bird. And with this drip algae, it should allow me to track him down. I must venture forth, find this man.
It's you. You're that stupid bird who took Michael. What do you want?
Do you know who the Drip Master is?
I got time on my hands.
He drains life from my woods.